Okay guys, thanks for joining me on another review. Today we're going to look at Spinnaker, a watch from Spinnaker, and it's an automatic watch, and it's like I said, automatic, and you can dive with it up to 600 feet, which is about 18 meters. It looks really nice. It comes with two straps, one from metal, and I think the glass is sapphire, so it's gonna be fine with scratches up to a level. I guess they included a tool in here, I guess it's to adjust the metal strap, and then you have a rubber band if you don't like the metallic one. So in here you have this is the warranty, and then you have the manual. So this is the Spinnaker Bradner GMT automatic. Instructions here, and so far I'm very impressed. It's gonna be like a really lovely present. The way the unboxing experience was really nice, top level. And now yeah, let's have a look at the watch. So as you can see, it comes it has a bit of a weight to it, and has with this little kind of like cushion. Let me remove it. So yeah, let's have a quick look around the watch. Very nice and shining. So yeah, still have to remove a few things, but out of the box I have a thick wrist, 21 or 22 centimeters. So this is actually just 21, I think, as it is. I'll see if I can make some adjustments to make it a bit larger, but otherwise I can easily wear it like this, and hopefully I'll be fine. I'll be trying the other strap as well, but for now let's just remove all the other plastic from it. Just remove the top, and it's I have to say it's really good. It looks really nice. Hey guys, I made the micro adjustment, and now it's perfect for my hand. To open it, you just drag this little clip up like so, then you press on both sides, and that will then release it like this, and it's stainless steel, if you're wondering. If you wonder how thick it is, it's 1.5 centimeters. And on the back is the part I love the most. It's the spinner, and you can see the mechanism inside working. So with this one you do have to wear it in order for it to work, otherwise it will stop. So this is where we have some explanation of the watch. And then in here you get how to use it and how many clicks it goes out. So that being for the screw down crown. The top one is for the inner bezel. Screw down crown. So you see, you unscrew and you turn on the clockwise until it's freely without tension. So yeah, let me review this and then I'll show you about look how to set up the time. So you unscrew the crown and pull it out to position 3. Yeah, so let's try that, but I won't really be able to show you. I'll just show you what's the time now, and I'll show you when I correct it. Alright guys, it's quite easy once you read the instructions properly, so I would advise make sure you read the instructions properly. You could have up to 3 time zones, and yeah, and you can put it as 24-hour GMT. So for example, in my situation in London, it's now 12 past 10, and then I put the date. So when you put the date, you have to rotate, so you do the adjustments from the bottom wheel. So for the date, you just take it out to the position 2, and then you rotate down because if you rotate up, you will change the date. Sorry, my bad. So to rotate down, that will change the date. If you rotate up, you will change the second indicator, the one that has the blue on it. So that's set for a country that is 2 hours ahead for me. And then you adjust from the first bezel, you rotate this in order to have it like 24 hours. So I think I'm good with it now. So I'll just use it and see if I want to make any changes. But let me show you quickly how it looks like with the other bezel as well, with the other strap. It is straightforward to remove the bezel. You just push down onto those two little things, whatever you call them, and then it gets removed. Just remember which part goes where. So like in my situation, as you can see, I left this out, so I'll know that the bit with this goes onto the top, onto the bottom bit actually, that has this out. So yeah, should be straightforward. So let's just remove this one as well. Yeah, let me do it. Okay guys, looks quite interesting with this strap. Fortunately it's a bit small for me, but you can replace it with any strap you like. You can find really nice leather straps as well. So the diameter for the strap seems to be 20 mil. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna stick to this strap. It fits well, and yeah, it's not gonna break anytime soon. So yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.